How to tow a vehicle. Tips and tricks for every driver. Towing a vehicle is pulling one car or truck behind another using a towing vehicle. There are many reasons why someone might need to tow a car, such as moving to a new location, transporting a vehicle for repair, or hauling a boat or trailer. Whatever the reason, it is essential to towing safely to avoid accidents, injuries, or damage to the vehicles. When it comes to towing a vehicle, having the right equipment for the job is essential. Several types of towing materials are available, including tow bars, dollies, tow ropes, and more. Each type of equipment has its own advantages and disadvantages, so it is crucial to understand the differences between them before deciding which one to use. When towing, it is important to use safety chains and other devices to secure the towed vehicle. Metal hooks, tire straps, tow straps, and other devices can be used to ensure a secure connection between the tow vehicle and the towed vehicle. Call us today at 888-231-0113 for any help you need with your vehicle.